Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect scrambled eggs. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs, a tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a rubber spatula. A small bowl for whisking is also essential for a smooth start. Now, crack your eggs into the bowl. Whisk them gently with a fork or whisk until the yolks and whites are just combined, but don't overwhisk them into a froth. Next, place your non-stick pan over a medium-low heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt completely, coating the entire surface of the pan. Once the butter is melted and the pan is warm, pour in your whisked eggs. Let them sit undisturbed for about 15 to 20 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Then, using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, letting the uncooked egg flow underneath. Repeat this folding motion. The key to perfect scrambled eggs is to remove them from the heat when they are still slightly wet and glossy. They will continue to cook a little from residual heat. Season immediately with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper to your liking. Serve your wonderfully creamy scrambled eggs warm and savor every bite. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.